Hi, my name is Neil Leftwich. We live in Wheeling, West Virginia, and we had Baker's Waterproofing install garage anchors in our garage outside wall. We found that we had cracking in our basement wall. That was the outside wall in the garage area. And I noticed that it seemed to be worsening. We really felt it was time to do the repairs, and so we lined up 3 different providers for an estimate. Baker's was the second one that came, and after they came, there was no question that we were going to be going with them. In fact, that very day, Mike, who came out to look at the problem, we went ahead and signed a contract. There's a confidence also, I think, more than anything else, that you have whenever you're working with personnel from Baker's Waterproofing that they're going to get the job done right. We were very pleased with the thoroughness of Mike, and indeed, actually, after the first company came, it was surprising just how thorough he was. And there were things that he looked at that hadn't been considered before. He was very prepared to be able to show us videos on what would be entailed in the repair, in the process. He covered every question that we had. I felt very satisfied after he had done his initial examination that Baker's Waterproofing would be able to solve the problem. Jeremy, whenever he came with his crew to actually do the repairs, was very professional, very thorough. Again, made sure that if we had any questions or issues, he would address those. So the experience with both of them was outstanding.